As of January 2021, there are 4.66 billion active internet users. That's 59.5% of the global population. 92.6% of the 4.66 billion access the internet using mobile devices. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danelle. If you're new here, welcome. If you have been here, thank you for coming back and watching this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about digital marketing. So guys, I don't know if you guys know that I became obsessed with digital marketing back in 2018. So I kind of discovered it. I knew about it because I did a marketing course in uni. And we touched on digital marketing, I think one class, and I was like this in the class because I had never heard of it before. And even though I was on social media for years, I never understood that you could sell your product or present your, I knew you could present your business, but I didn't know how. Anyways, long story short, did a course in Zurich, big up to the Singer Factory in Zurich. Did a series of workshops, and the workshop that connected with me the most was the digital marketing workshop. After the workshop, I went to the presenter, the facilitator, and I asked her, hey, she has a company, she has a digital marketing agency in Zurich. And I said, can I please come and volunteer with you guys? I would like to learn some more. And she agreed. I went there. I did some work with them. I learned a lot. I hope I contributed as well. And since then, I just became fascinated with it. I used the knowledge I learned from the digital marketing agency to apply to my own business. And I did a lot of optimization on my website. Of course, it's not world class because I'm not a designer, but I managed to put it together myself. I managed to optimize it myself, and surprisingly, I managed to attract a fairly good amount of people just through my SEO efforts and optimizing the website. So I wanted a certificate in digital marketing because digital marketing is fairly new. It's fairly new to the market. It has become very popular because of the pandemic. There are a lot of businesses going online. So digital marketers have become great assets to companies. So while I had a bit of experience, I wanted to get a deeper insight into digital marketing. So I remember the boss of the digital marketing agency, she told me that Google offers some free courses and I should take advantage of them. I did start during the pandemic. I did start a few of them, and I just didn't finish them because the whole pandemic and the whole thing, I was not sure which direction I wanted to go in. And a few weeks ago, I decided, hey, let me get this done. So it is called the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. It's by Google Digital Workshop, and you get a certificate after you've completed the course, completed the assessment. Okay, so before I blab on any further, I want to clarify this. I want to say, what is digital marketing? I've tried to explain this to more than one person, but I think I did not do a very good job. So let me just read what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communications. All right, so some examples of digital marketing is like email marketing, social media marketing, which is a very popular one, content marketing, which is highly used. This is an example of a content marketing. It is a video. Well, I'm not really using it as marketing, but there are many companies who use YouTube and videos as a way of marketing. So, and blogs are also considered content marketing. So these are some examples of digital marketing. So what I think about the course in a nutshell, it is not an in-depth digital marketing course. You will not become an overnight digital marketer and analyzing all the data on Google Analytics or in Google Ads. You're not going to be able to do all of that with this course. What it basically does, it's a fundamental course. So what it does, it introduces you to all the possibilities. It introduces you to the different aspects of digital marketing. What I found very useful with this course is that it gives you a structure. You know, when you're first thinking about bringing your business online, how do you go about it? You know, have your goals, and then build from there. What are your goals? You want to go online, you're building a business, you have a business. You want to do it online, whether it's e-commerce or you have a brick and mortar store. You want to go online. How do you start? What's your purpose of going online? Which platforms do you want to choose? And that's very useful to have structure, you know, because the internet is vast. There's so much on the internet and you can get swallowed by all that is on the internet. And so this course kind of gives you direction, it gives you structure, and you can build on that. There are different aspects of the course, and as a digital marketer, I think you don't have to do all the different channels. You don't have to go through all the different channels. You can specify, you can become a specialist in SEO, which is search engine optimization. You can become a specialist in conversion. You can only focus on Google tools and Google marketing tools. You can focus on social media. You know, I'm yet to decide what I will focus on, but I think what I want to use this for is to help businesses go online, create a presence online. And eventually, I will be able to focus on, if I want to focus on conversion or SEO. But I think I do a pretty good job with SEO. Yeah, so I will decide where I really want to like do more courses into or get more experiences into. For the moment, I have a general knowledge of what the digital marketing landscape looks like. And that's what this course offers. So that's in short what I think of the digital marketing course, the Google Digital Workshop course. I would recommend it to anyone, especially if you are a small business owner and you want to do some online marketing, you want to do some social media marketing. I would recommend do this course, because you know what you'll learn from this course? You'll not only learn how to market your business digitally, but you'll also think about your purpose, the purpose of your business. Why am I really doing this business? And it's never about money. You should never start your business about money. Of course, you need to earn from it, but when the money is not coming in, there needs to be something else that drives you in your business, especially as a small business. It has to be a business of love. All right, so yeah, I would recommend the course to small business owner. I would recommend it to people who, you might have a degree and you like marketing or a marketing degree. You can do this course to kind of top up your marketing degree. Anyone can do this course. It's manageable, it's good, and learning is always good anyways. So this is it for me. I'm very stoked about this and I'm just looking forward to what comes next. All right, here's my offer to you as my subscribers. If any of you have a small business that you want to put online, you want to create an online presence, reach out to me in the comment section, or you can email me at danielle.steinke@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to work with you to put your business online. I mean, I'm learning, so as much as I can practice, I would love to do that. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video, and we'll chat in the next one. I'm still gonna do ice skating. I'm a little bit scared, but I'll go to the ring someday this week, and then I'll vlog that for you guys. All right, guys, until next time, see you in another video.